In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Airtable and import it into Google Sheets. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly transition your Airtable data into Google Sheets for additional analysis and sharing capabilities. First, let's start by heading over to Airtable. If you're familiar with this platform, you already know that it's a great tool for managing databases. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Airtable URL. Once there, you'll see the welcome page with various features showcased. Next, you'll need to log into your Airtable account. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is just a few clicks away. Simply click on the sign in button, and if you've already stored your credentials in your browser, it might automatically fill in your username and password for you. If not, go ahead and enter your login details. After that, you'll see a continue button. Give it a click to fully access your account dashboard where all your bases are stored. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the specific base you intend to export. From your dashboard, locate and click on the base that contains the data you wish to move over to Google Sheets. Here you'll be greeted with different views of your data. What we need is the grid view, which is essentially the spreadsheet format of your records. It's easy to spot. Just look at the view options on the top of your screen and select grid view. With your data displayed in the grid view, it's time to initiate the export process. Look for the option that says download CSV within the interface. A CSV file or comma-separated values file is perfect for data transfer as it maintains the integrity of your data in a compact format. Clicking this option will prompt your browser to start downloading the CSV file to your computer. Usually this will either save to your downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location. Now let's turn our attention to Google Sheets, where our exported data will find its new home. Open Google Sheets either through your Google Drive or directly by entering the Google Sheets URL. Once in Google Sheets, create a new sheet by selecting the blank option, giving you a fresh canvas for your data. Importing the CSV into Google Sheets is a breeze. From the Google Sheets toolbar, click on File, select Import, and then navigate to the Upload tab. Here you can drag and drop your downloaded CSV file or select it from your files. Google Sheets will then ask how you want to import the file. Choose Replace Current Sheet, which will overwrite the blank sheet with your CSV data, and finalize the process by pressing Import Data. And there you have it, your Airtable data is now successfully transferred to Google Sheets, ready for you to manipulate, analyze, and share. Whether you're collaborating with team members or preparing a report, this method ensures your data is easily accessible and manageable. Thanks for watching, and happy data organizing.